to my YouTube channel. In this video we can see that how to check the number is even or odd. Okay, if we get input from the user, and if the user want to check the number is even or odd, then how we can write a code for that. Okay, so we can write a code in a Java for print the number is, for check the number is odd or even or odd. Okay, so that's we can write here the, for getting the input from the user, the value, the number from, get the number input from the user, we need to create here the package import java.util dot star or scanner. You can also write a scanner here. Okay, you need to create a public class demo. Okay, then public static void main string. Okay, args. Okay, args, just open a curly bracket and just create here the object of the scanner. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. Okay, so here is your object of the scanner class is created. Okay, then get a user input from a user, a number. Okay, so that's why you need to write here the system dot out dot println. Here you can enter your number, enter your number. Okay, then just simply look on here. You can see that here the input and it equals to sc dot next int. Okay, just simply here, so this is for getting a int. Okay, so this is for input, and here you can change. Okay, sorry, my bad. Okay, so here you can, here is our input code, how to get input from the user, and here you can check the given number from the user is odd or even. Okay, you can check here odd or even. So that's for printing the, for check the number, we need here to get a logic, particular logic, that the how to check the number is even or odd. For this you can see that here, just simply here use the if statement, conditional statement. We need to use the conditional statement here. Just okay, open so if the n from, get from the user. So here is the logic how you can check the number is even or not. If the n percent n percent 2 is equals to 0. If n percent 2 is equals to 0, then print system dot out dot println the number is, it is a even number. Print it is a even number. Okay, and else, simply use the else statement to print the given number is odd number. Okay, system dot out dot println. Okay, just write here the number is odd. Okay, so this is the logic how you can write the program to check whether the given number from the user is even or not. Okay, for that, here is our logic, here is our important logic. You consider n, if the number percent 2 is equals to 0, then the number is even or odd number. Okay, just simply click on run button, and you can see that here the, it is asked to the number for the user. So if the user can write a 5 here, the number is odd. Okay, so this is the logic and this is the program, this is the code in a Java. So how you can get input from the user on a particular number from the user, and say that and print the and check the number is even or odd. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. If you like this video, then please click on like button and Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.